Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you guys how you guys can create a thumbnail a YouTube video for your YouTube videos. Okay, so if you guys know about this website Canva is one of the most popular website that people just go and purchase stuff or create stuff for their online business. I recommend 100% go and check out this website. This is the best website that you guys can go and create stuff online for whatever online business that you have. So many things can you can create. You guys can see it's 86 million people just visiting last month, so this is gonna be one of the most popular website that the people going and just creating stuff. Okay, I usually use this website for my YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, whatever I have. I want to create, for example, Facebook post, okay, an Instagram post, documents, poster, so many other stuff that you can create and just try to just make some, create title, create, uh, photo on the, poster or something, and just try to create some stuff, and you can use it for, anything. So in this video, so I wanted to share with you guys about how I make my thumbnails, YouTube videos for my YouTube channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just go and just looking for my YouTube thumbnail videos, right, and just go and just check the all the thumbnails that are available here, and I check it out which one I want to create. So many thumbnails you can create for your channel. If you have a video about traveling, about dog training, about for example relationship, coffee, so many things you can create. I want to, for example, I have a coffee shop. Okay, I want to talk about the coffee and how I can create a good thumbnail about my coffee video. If I have something that I want to create about the coffee, so I just go there and just create some stuff in here and just trying to changing the title, changing the background picture maybe, and just trying to create some other stuff on the thumbnails. And just when I done this, I just go and download. Okay, and just download it. I just when I got the download, I go to my YouTube videos. See, this is download. All right. For example, I create these thumbnails for my YouTube thumbnails video, and I download this one. And when I download this, I just can post it on my YouTube. Post it on Facebook, Twitter, email, and then I can upload for my YouTube videos and everything. So this is the great stuff that you guys can go and just check it out. What do you want to create for your YouTube thumbnails? So this is the video that I wanted to share with you guys. It's I wanted to know about your opinion. What do you guys think? What other platform that you guys using? Comment, definitely comment below, and I will happy to answer your any question. If you have any question about this video, or you want to know about this stuff, please comment below, and I'm happy to answer. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bells. I'm going to create as many videos for free that you guys can use for your online business. And